Larson Electronics IND-HL-UVC-VL15-50C is an industrial handheld UV disinfection light which can kill 99% of viruses, bacteria, mold, and spores found on surfaces including workstations, machines, tables, and more. This unit offers UVC output at a range of 200 nanometers to 280 nanometers and a 360-degree range of coverage. Protected by a metal wire guard and equipped with a swivel hook for hands-free operation, the UVC light features 50 feet of 16.3 SOOW cord. This light is a powerful sanitation solution for industrial sites and commercial facilities. The lights emit a flood beam pattern and have an expected lifespan of over 8,000 hours. With the recommended 30 minutes of exposure time for viruses, multiple devices can be purchased to cover larger areas more quickly. The ballast for this light is contained within the handle, while the housing is constructed of non-sparking aluminum. Plug options include the following. When using this UV light, wear safety goggles and cover exposed skin. Do not look directly at the light. A 30-minute exposure time is required for killing viruses. The disinfecting UV light only sanitizes surface that the light comes in direct contact with. The light does not penetrate through surfaces and provides lower intensity off reflected surfaces. For optimal performance, make sure all surfaces are exposed. You can use this unit for multiple passes through a single room or area, moving options between each disinfecting session. These units can be used with all room lights on or off. Any lights present in the room are fine. The carts can even be used in sunlight. Frequently asked questions. How long does the fixture need to operate to kill viruses? A 30-minute exposure time is required for killing viruses. What if I want to disinfect a larger area than the square footage that is listed in the specifications of this product? You can move the product and cover other areas. Each time the unit is moved, the exposure time starts again. What if obstacles are in the way of the UV light while it's disinfecting? You will need to move objects around and disinfect again for another 30 minutes. If the cart does not have a direct line of sight, it will not disinfect. This is a non-ozone UV generating product, so it does not penetrate through solid surfaces and will not reflect and clean the underside of objects or behind objects. If you do not have a direct line of sight from the light, you will need to move it around or move the obstacles to create proper exposure. Do I need to wear protective gear? Yes, UV radiation is not safe for your eyes or skin. Is this product skin safe or eye safe? No. UV radiation is not safe for the eyes or skin. Please read the manual for UV safety requirements. Here are some general guidelines for safe operation of UV sanitation lights. Never look directly at the light when it is activated. Use protective eye and face gear. Cover the hands, arms, neck, legs, and other exposed body parts. Avoid touching a disinfection lamp that is on. Set up signs, markers, or cones around the area to warn others of ongoing sanitation. Do not handle a broken or cracked UV lamp with bare hands. During large-scale operation, people should not be present inside the room. Block off access to the general area by setting up signs. Close and cover all windows to contain stray UVC light beams. Do not stand in front of the lamps when turning on the UV disinfection cart. After sanitation, power down the UV light before entering the room or handling the cart. Additionally, we recommend using respiratory masks when performing UV sanitation in potentially contaminated areas. These vital safety accessories have two benefits. They prevent individuals from breathing in deadly viruses and toxic chemicals, and they help reduce direct contact when touching the face and mouth. Light maintenance and care. Periodically check the UV lamp before and after use for damage, especially when experiencing light flicker. If the lamp becomes too hot to touch, allow it to cool before inspection. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.